If managing diabetes has ever felt like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, don't worry, same here. Hi everyone, I'm Jeff, the glucose guy. I'm a T1D dad breaking down diabetes in a way that actually makes sense. I'm no doctor, I'm just a parent learning along the way, so make sure you check in with your medical team before making any changes. Let's dive in. So why did I start Glucose Guy? When my son was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, our world changed overnight. Suddenly we were learning about blood sugars, insulin, type 1 versus type 2, carb counts, CGMs, pumps, inset changes, all at once. And honestly, it was very scary and confusing. And I quickly realized that if we were struggling trying to learn this stuff, then a lot of other families probably were too. And at the end of the day, diabetes isn't black and white. There's a lot of gray area. So I started this channel to make diabetes a little less overwhelming and a lot more understandable. Not just for parents, but for anyone living with diabetes. I'm Jeff, the glucose guy, learning right alongside you, because none of us got a manual for this.